right, so we're actually using Obsidian for the first time. I just created a vault. I downloaded Obsidian. You don't need to see that crap. You can do that. So I'm going to create my first node, and we're going to walk through actually using Obsidian. I've never used Obsidian. This is not sponsored. This is just me curious after watching the No Boilerplate video where he's just like, Obsidian is the greatest, and I watched that graph, and everything happened, and I thought, I want that. I want that real bad. And so maybe this could be the first time in my life where notes actually work for me. The big push here is that every single time I've ever tried any note-taking program, what happens? I know what happens to you. It happens to me. I start off day 1, great. Day 2, it is not great. Day 3, I quit thinking about it completely. I tried this with Trello to keep track of myself. I tried this with everything. It absolutely sucks. And so I really, really want this to work out. One problem, though, alerts will be on. I'll turn them down a little bit so you will be interrupted because this is just going to be more like a full-length investigation stream, okay? Okay. And chat's up here. They're malding. Don't look at them, okay? They're just like, why not Vim Wiki? Why not Zettelkasten? Anyways, I'm not doing it, okay? Sorry, losers. All right, get in. We're going losing. Again, this is not sponsored. I didn't even reach out to Obsidian. Obsidian, if you want to sponsor me, I will make a small video on this. I think I could like it. But first, let me use it. If I don't like it, I don't want your sponsorship. I don't want your money. I don't want none of you. I don't want none of your shit. But first, I got to find out. Okay, anyways. So to create a new note, we do a little Control-N. Okay, here we go. We called our project Testes. All right, so I'm going to create a new note. Hello, world. Why not? I don't know how this thing works. All right. Let's see. Oh, and then I want to also get a Vim plugin for this. You know what I mean? I want to get a Vim plugin real bad. Hold on, let's get there. Let's get there. Just hold on. Let's get there. Okay, we're going to get there. Let's just walk through what they do. All right. Obsidian also supports Markdown. Okay. Markup language for adding. Isn't it funny that Markdown is a markup language? Isn't it weird? It just feels weird. I'm hoping that the NeoVim Obsidian thing works. I don't know. I assume it just works. People are saying it's just built in, but I don't think that's technically true because there's also like link jumping and stuff like that. I'm hoping that it works more than just that, right? Like I can jump between links, right? That's what I really want. So I don't know how that works. It's built in. Okay, that seems great. Okay. Well, anyways, let's see. Copy and paste the following text at the top of Obsidian Notes. A second brain for you forever. Okay, sure. Okay. Hold on. Okay, hold on. How can I go up, down, JK? JK, help! How do I use an editor that's not Vim? Oh my goodness, do I need to use... Okay, so I really don't want to ever use this. So what about Vim? You guys are telling me that it's just built in? Uh-oh. Do I need to hit Control-S? How do I save? Save. Why is this thing not... Why are these in two different positions? This is like a title. Oh, wild. It's like some sort of title that's not a part of it. Okay, enhance UI. Enhance, file name. Yeah, title equals file name. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, you're right. Oh, is that right? Okay. I see how that works. Cool. All right. Okay. I get that. That is cool. Okay. Control, comma. Okay, hold on. Obsidian as Vim mode. We'll get there. We're just going one thing through at a time, okay? Spaces are a fine links. Gonna have them later on. Okay. Good. Because I like spaces. Honestly, I like spaces. They feel easy to read, and if you're just taking more natural notes, you'd want spaces anyway. But when I'm doing those, I go kebab case usually. I like kebab case, but then I hate it. I don't know ever how to do anything. I swear I can never be happy. All right, let's link some notes together. All right, step 1, create a link. In this step, we'll create 2 notes and link them together. Double bracket syntax. Okay, hell yeah. Create a note with the name 3 Laws of Motion. Okay, so I'm just going to go in here, and I assume I should create it in here. 3 Laws of motion. Okay. Right? Okay, don't do that. Let's see. Laws of motion. Okay, well, copy and paste this just to be, like, complete about it. Create another one, laws of inertia. Okay, let's do this. Laws of inertia. All right, and then what do we do here? Let's see, at the end of the sentence, press this bracket twice on your keyboard. Type 3. Okay. Hell yeah. For those that didn't see that, that was pretty sweet. How do I enhance? I want to make this bigger. Dude, there has to be a way. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah, finally. Okay, still not big enough. See, this is why I like, look at this. You can see the drop down. This is again, why I prefer something a little bit different, but look at that. Boom. Enhance. Enhance. I like it. I like that. So that means I should be able to click here. Oh, yes, baby. Now, what does that look like in Vim? See, like right now, it's not technically supported, right? People are like, it's just built in. I don't think this is currently built in. I can't GF. I can't go to my girlfriend. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Prime finally liking something. Yeah, into the plugin. Yeah, so this is where you'd need the plugin, right? This is where you need the plugin to be able to take those differences and do that. Editor, zoom, all parts of editor. I know. Yeah, let's see. How did he think it was going to work that way? Prime, it's in Obsidian. Wait, what? The files are in Obsidian? The files are in Obsidian? They have a great Vim mode. Yeah, I'd just rather use Vim, though. You know what I mean? I'd rather use Vim, but maybe I'd rather use this. Okay, so how do I go to settings? Open graph, open switcher, open view, graph. That's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. No, get the hell out of here. Yes. Oh my goodness, way too much clickies. Insert template, open command palette. Wait, hold on. How do I open command palette? Is it Control P? Got it. That means I should be able to do Vim. Okay, how about Control T? Nope, that's new tab. Settings, way down here. Okay, editor, always focus in tabs. Blah, blah, blah. See, like, I don't want all the stuff in my face. You know what I mean? Vim key bindings. Let's do that. Vim mode is for efficient text editing, but being quite counterintuitive. If you are not familiar with Vim, this option might look that. To verify you know your way around Vim, please enter the command to quit Vim without saving. Is there a ZZ that can quit without saving? Is there a save that you can do with ZQ? It didn't like it. It didn't like it. I thought they wouldn't do that because I was like, wait a second. There is definitely like a is it capital ZQ? Quit without checking for changes. Yeah, you dummy loser. Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what? Dummy loser, Obsidian. You don't even know how to quit Vim. What a bunch of losers. Requiring me to do this. They don't even know how. Okay. How about quit bang? That's actually the correct answer, dummy. Did you not look at it? Is the correct answer. It's quit bang. Quit doesn't do it, right? No, X saves, you dummy. X is WQ. My father didn't know. Dude, I've been all about the other stuff. Maybe no colon. Don't you get? Everyone loves the colon, okay? All right. Prime is losing his Vimness. Nah. I just don't use ZQ or ZZ. It's just not for me. It's never been for me. I don't know why, but you know, when you've been, the thing is that I have such great muscle memory around a specific thing. It's just like, I don't really want to do that. You know what I mean? Ugh. Anyways. All right, step 2, create a link to a non-existent note. Okay, you can create links to notes that don't exist yet for when you want to dive into a topic later. In your 3 laws of motion note, select Isaac Newton. Okay, and press the bracket once. Okay, so I should... Okay, back, VAP. Oh, yeah. Okay, oh no. I don't like that jumping, but whatever. Because I can't go down. Can we take off line wrap? Can you take off line wrap? Set no wrap. Okay, so we can't do that. I would really prefer it if I didn't have to do this. FI. There we go. And so I should be able to just hit... I assume I can just hit bracket now? How does that work in... Okay, so I can't hit bracket now. See, okay, so this is kind of interesting, right? Do I press I then? Okay, so how do I do that in this mode? How do I do it in Vim mode? Okay, back to VS Code now. Right click. I don't want to right click. Bodies in motion. Back to Vim. I did go to insert mode. 2 brackets is a link. I know that, but it said highlight this, so I'm going FIVT that. So there we go. I've highlighted Isaac Newton. If I go little case I, it's not going to do that. That's not how you can't go into insert mode like that. Okay, it's not going to let me go there. If I do double bracket, it ain't doing it. Instead, bracket took me up there. I'm not really sure why bracket took me up there. That's not taking me with the paragraph movement. Okay. Need to select after insert mode. That doesn't also makes no sense. Wait, hold on. See opening and closing parentheses? How does that make any sense? Opening parentheses should jump to the opening of the next paragraph. All right. Anyways, FIVT that colon, and then I can't do anything with that. Yeah, see, I can't even do anything in there. Okay, so I'd have to go like this. I'm just gonna have to go. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Someone said go to settings and go to something about editor line. Let's see, display readable line length. Okay, FI. So apparently, maybe if I go like this. All right, I mean, that works. It's not what I wanted to do. Is there a way to, like, jump on this? Go to definition. Go to... oh, GD doesn't work. GD, people. I really want a GD to work. GF, go to girlfriend. Okay, so neither GD or that. Hey, thank you for the R dollars. I appreciate that. Vim is kind of broken in Obsidian, yeah. Hey, thank you for more R dollars. Wait, is that the same R dollars? Am I confused? The file doesn't exist yet. Oh, yeah, that's right. It doesn't exist. It doesn't create it? I'm going to plan on using that, yeah. The link doesn't go anywhere. Highlight, cut, add. Yeah, I know, that's weight. That's so much stuff. I guess I could technically go like this. Hit him with the S. Take that. Oopsies. I did the wrong thing. Undo. And then just hit him with the paste. And throw in one of those, right? I mean, we can make it work no matter what. Okay. Anyways, fantastic. So that means I'm going to have to create a new... I just hit Control N. Hey, Control N. Isaac Newton. Go back. So now I should be able to girlfriend, right? Jump to definition, girlfriend, jump to girlfriend. I literally can't. So that doesn't work either, but I can certainly click it. Damn it. I know I did. I tried. It doesn't work with standard Vim stuff. Control E. Oh, okay. I mean, that sucks. It really shouldn't be Control E. It really shouldn't be Control E. How do I go back? Is there a way to go back? Can I go Control O? I mean, that works. So you're saying Control E. Control E did not. I don't even know where Control E went, to tell you the truth. Where's my cursor? Control E. Oh, Control E is like presentation mode. Okay. Alt Enter creates an open file. Alt Enter opens up a... Try Ligma Dick. Okay, I could try that. That's view mode. Yeah, I know. I figured that. Control open bracket. I'm not sure what's happening, but it's just getting worse. The more I press it, the more I hate it. That turned into, like, code mode. Okay. Control enter. Control enter. Control enter. Control enter. Haha. Sucks. I don't like that. But fine. Whatever. And it needs to be capital F girlfriend? No way. Yeah, capital F girlfriend what capital F girlfriend should do is should also consider line number and column number offsets. You can see the disappointment in his face. I know. I really don't like control enter. Whenever you see, this is why I just need here. That's it. Obsidian, NeoVim. I hate when people add in. I hate when you have Vim emulation mode and then you don't just simply have like standard Vim things that are in there. Like jump to definition should just work. That's like a great way to do it, right? Jump to definition is like, that's what you should use. If you can't use jump to definition, I totally can buy girlfriend, right? GF would also be completely acceptable. But beyond that, like control enter, that just doesn't make any sense. Go to, see, look, they use GF. I think that's completely acceptable. Completely acceptable usage. All right, commands, Obsidian backlinks. Okay, so this seems like the play. I guess I'm gonna have to get some sort of NeoVim compy. I wonder if it works with Mason and LSP0. I don't know. I don't know what that equals. But thank you for the incredible sounds and everything. Look at that. That thing is awesome. That's a lot of biddies. $10,000? Oh, people. We gotta... Dude, can we get some L's in the chat? Can we get some hugs in the chat right now for our boy, Atomic NeoVim? Dude, that sucks, man. I am so sorry. Dude, I am so sorry. That's just the worst. That's just the... Dude, trust me, I can... Dude, my man, we're sorry. Hugs all around. Give the boy a hug. Dude, F, man. F. I'm sorry, bud. Why do I have 2 space indenting here? I wonder what's going to break when I pack or sync. My guess is everything's going to break when I pack or sync. All right, so let's do this. Requirements. Requirements, NeoVim, yep, we got that. This plugin uses vim.fs, which is only added in 8. Okay, if you want completion and search results recommended, you also need ripgrep, which we have. We got that one. Search functionality, Obsidian search, Obsidian quick switch commands. Also requires telescope or one FCFL. Okay, we got that one. Nice. Install and configure to, let's see, configure Obsidian. Let's see, you need to call this thing setup, which with the desired options. Okay, well, let's just grab whatever they have so far. This seems pretty nice. You know what I mean? I told you something was going to go wrong. Somehow, Tree Sitter always has compilation issues. I've literally never gone through a Tree Sitter that didn't have one of the parsers fail to get Tree Shitter. That's why we call it Tree Shitter. We don't call it Tree Shitter for no reason. Okay, boys? Let's go into here, and let's go into After plugin, and let's go to Obsidian.lua. Paste that all in here. There we go. Lazy True Read Buff Path to my vault. If you want to use, let's see, hold on. So I need to go path to my vault here. Interesting. Okay, I guess we can definitely do that. Let's see. Can I use, let's see. You need to call Vim expand. Oh, you need to do this. I just want to call home. Can I just do that? There we go. And then we gotta go personal. slash. Oh. Okay, personal, and then it's D's notes, if I'm not mistaken. And then star MD. Is that what they had? Yeah, star MD. Okay. Cool. This is not Packer. Packer D's what? What? You copied the config for lazy. Oh. Is this for lazy? Oh, crap. Oh, crap. We don't want to do that. You're right. We'll keep that there. In fact, we're going to go here, add that. Okay, cool. Packer, go here, add that. I wasn't even reading the thing. I thought that was... All right, good enough for me. All right, we want to do this. This thing, no, we don't need to do that. Let's go like this. Personal, D's notes. There we go. All right. See below for a list of options. Let's see. Optional if you keep notes in a specific subdirectory. Log levels, daily notes folder, dailies. Okay, completion. If you use NeoVim compy, set false to otherwise. I kind of feel like trigger completion with this one. Let's see, where to put new notes created from completion. Oh, interesting. Interesting right here. Which one do we do? Huh. This is a lot of work just to not use a mouse. Yeah, I don't like using mouses. I'm sorry that I like to be at least mildly thorough. Note ID function customize how name and IDs for new notes are created. Okay. Create notes IDs in Zettelkasten format. Zettelkasten. Let's see. Okay, we got... I like that they went with everything. Okay, templates, date format, time format, beautiful. Follow URL, func, vim, job start, open URL. Wait, what? Porque, Maria? Optional by default when you use Obsidian, follow link. Let's see, on a link to an external URL. It'll be ignored, but you can customize the behavior here. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. 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 Let's see. It says someone who's probably bends over backwards to use JS everywhere. Got him. We're just using. Let's see. Open app in foreground. Optional. Set to true. Set to true to force Obsidian open to bring the app to the foreground. I don't want it to be in foreground. I actually want it to be in the background. Finder. Telescope. I should probably just do this. Right. I feel like I should definitely do one of those. I definitely want that. Is there anything else I probably need in here? At least for now, we'll just say no. We'll try this, right? I'm not sure if this is going to be great or not, but we can try it. I mean, technically, I use LSP 0, so I don't really know what happens underneath the hood with LSP 0. To be real, I have no idea how LSP 0 works. Hey, thank you, Frederick. It's using OS X Open. Shouldn't you switch it to XDG? Well, I'm not sure if that's the default or what happens, right? This one, I'm not sure which. I don't really know what's the default here. I just figured I'd run into the error, and then once I run into the error, then I know that I gotta change it, right? That's how I figured it. At least I'm using it. Uses okay. Just use the mouse. No, stop it. Shut up. All right. This looks good. This is exactly what I want. Perfect. Okay, I think this is good. I think we got what we want. You know what I mean? I think we got it. I think we got it, right? That's how I program. Yeah. I don't know what's keeping me from using NeoVim more. I don't know, but Lua is what's keeping me from using... Oh, Lua's really simple. That's the thing is, like, Lua is one of the stupidest, most easy languages in the universe, right? It is incredible. If you don't know Lua, you do. You just don't realize it. It really is. It is the dumbest, most simple language ever. Like Makefile, false. Nothing like Makefile. Makefile, at least it's a little, let's see, but who the F... yeah, well, I don't like building complex things with Lua. I agree with you on that. But you just know Lua by accident. You know what I mean? Lua's like JS, except blue. Always blue, right? Lua is most certainly better than Vimmel. Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, using a table to replace all collections. Yeah, why not? It just is. Lua is darn simple, especially if you're just using it for configuration, right? This is just an object. You know how to use objects. That's simple. This is just a property on an object that's a function. You know how to do that, and that's fine with me, right? Like, it can't be that hard. You can't really think it's that hard. To be frank, they have a sync option that lets you to write on my iPad. Yeah, I know. Anyways, whatever. I don't want to talk about this crap. All right, so we have this thing. This is good. So one thing I don't really like this. I'm going to move this, though, because I don't really want it on the install step, because I need this thing. This thing needs to run every single time, right? So I don't want it here, so we're just going to jump here, and we're going to paste it in here. You know what I mean? So there we go. So we're going to actually put it in the Obsidian Lua post installation step, and I'm just going to go like this, right? To me, this seems better, because I don't actually require in Packer, right? Like, I don't require Packer in. So this is kind of like a one-time deal right here. And then this will be auto-loaded every time I open up Vim. So this seems like the move. This seems like the play. I kind of feel like I should use Notester and not Currenter, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel about it as time goes on, you know? You know, as time goes on, maybe I'll love it. Do I not have... Oh, there you go. There's my keys. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not doing it. Obsidian is the perfect candidate to rewrite in Dreambird. Absolutely. Perfect candidate. Alerts are not broken anymore. Whoopsies. F it. Hey, thank you. His ZD. I don't know why I missed that. Thank you for the community sub. Sorry, I'm just so in the zone. I'm so effing in the zone. There you go. All right, Prime, how you doing? And we're doing good. Okay, so let's try this. So we got Obsidian set up. I think everything should probably go okay. So let's just jump back here. Let's quit this thing down. Let's reopen this thing up. So now, how do I use Obsidian from NeoVim? Because this is what I want. Template support, okay, fantastic. We won't even think about that. Using NeoVim tree shitter, nice. If you're using NeoVim tree shitter, not Vim Markdown, you'll probably want to do enable additional Vim regex highlighting. I will want to enable it. I'm not going to enable it. Oh, I guess you can do it just on Markdown? My Markdown works really good. Okay. We'll see what happens. Let's try it out. What's that thing called? What the hell is the thing called? Did I use it? A tree shitter? Tree shitter? Right now I have it as false. Okay, I mean, I can try it. We can try it. We can try it.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
All right, so now how to use. Where's the how to use business? Installing, blah, 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 configuring, demo, commands. Okay. To create a new daily note. To open, eventually creating the daily note for the previous working day. Open a note in the Obsidian app. Okay, so how does this work? So do I just go like this? So hold on. So that means I don't even have to open it from within, right? I don't have to open it from within these notes. It just knows where my one vault is. So I have to have a singular vault is what I'm kind of taking from this. Okay, cool. So that means I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna go back to personal, completely different area. I'll hit this open. We got Chad Stack, AOC Zig, Best of Stack Overflow, all the good stuff in here, right? So that means I go Obsidian, open. Couldn't find an Obsidian vault. Does that mean I need to go straight to the... I think I might need to go to the exact folder, right? I think that's what was happening, right? Is that this is technically not the exact folder, right? Is it because it's actually testes? I think that's why it needs the exact... Okay, cool. All right, so let's try this again. Obsidian open.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Why did it open a googly thing like that? Why does it open a googly thing like this? Why am I getting a googly thing? I don't want a googly thing. I don't want no googlies. It has to be that XDG open. Am I getting hacked? It's trying to dox you, is it? My assumption is it's because of something with this, right? Print. Why? What am I doing here? Question mark. URL. Let's just try that. And then go back here. We'll just quit this again. Oh my goodness. ZZ. Vim. I should just get used to ZQ and ZZ. All right. No messages. I don't know why it's doing that. I actually have no idea why it's doing that. But there we go. We have that open. So that means now what do I do here? How do I open something? How do I open up? How do I, like, find anything to open up? How do I fuzzy find? Okay, how about Obsidian search? Obsidian search? Well, this doesn't seem right. Why is that only showing up right there? I don't like that. But okay, this works, but I don't really love that. All right. I don't love that. Maybe Chrome is linked. Well, it didn't. Problem with your XCG config? You think so? It didn't call that function, though. That's the thing, is that function wasn't called. The function wasn't called at all. So I know we could use Telescope, but I got to figure out a way to open up all the files in there. Let's see. Just use data. Yeah. There's hold on. There's a bunch of search options. It looks like it. Try Obsidian quick switch or something. Okay. Yeah. There's a bunch of these commands. We'll try that one too. Quick switch. Okay. Obsidian. See, I wish it would give me first the files that are available, right? Because now, okay, I actually have no idea how to use that thing. Whatever. Okay, so we're right here. Can I girlfriend? Isaac is not in path, but I thought. Go to reference with this one. Why didn't that one work? Do I go right here and girlfriend on that one? Girlfriend on that one? Can't do it. This is just what I want to do. You didn't put your vault in config. Yeah, I did. My vault, right there. I think you have to do a VI. No, that just highlights an area. That doesn't do anything. Try parent folder. Let's see. Please just use this very simple install Vim RC community plugin. What? Yeah, but look at this. Look at this thing you just sent me. I don't want to do this. This feels like suckless software. Here's just a patch. I don't want to do that. I don't want a patch. If you're using Vim, why install Obsidian? Because you need Obsidian. Rube Gold machine for taking notes. I know, for note taking. I know. This is out. Okay, so maybe I just need to learn this thing. Okay, we'll figure out the Vim stuff later because maybe it's just not worth it. I can get used to this. Whatever. Let's just move on. I just want to understand. Let's just understand the Obsidian stuff further. Right? I'm fine just understanding the Obsidian stuff. F you, Vim. I'm sorry. All right, imports notes. Okay, actually, link notes. I'm sure there's more stuff I haven't created in here. Navigate between this. Yes, by pressing Control. Yep, I don't want to do that. I don't want to click things. I don't like clicking things. Just give me the meat and give it to me raw. Learn more. Understanding how your notes are connected becomes increasingly more difficult as your vault grows. Learn how to use GraphView to deepen insights. Yes, GraphView lets you visualize the relationship between your notes. To open GraphView, click Open GraphView in the ribbon. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I figured that's how it goes. To navigate around, scroll with your scroll mouse wheel. Do this. Move the graph around by dragging it with your mouse cursor. You can also hold Shift while you use your keyboard to speed up movements. Okay. Filters. Okay, hold on. Can I just get instead of just I don't want it highlighted. Well, hold on. Before we do that, let's just keep going through this thing. Before we get distracted, let's do this. I don't think that. Yeah, I don't know. I would not expect this. Like I wouldn't. I would never use this as like that would never cross my mind. I know it's not a patch. Well, I mean, it is a patch. I understand but it's literally a patch. I have to take this. I have to copy this. I have to paste this, and I have to go use this in my stuff. It's also in Vimel. I'm gonna have to rewrite it all in Lua. I don't want to do any of this stuff, right? I don't want to do any of that. I'm sorry. I don't want to do any of that. Ugh. You know what I mean? All right, let's just keep on going. I'm not getting distracted by nonsense. I refuse. All right. If you're moving to Obsidian from a different note-taking app, you may want to import existing notes. I'm not. Okay, so this is okay. I can skip this entire thing. Syncing. Okay. Syncing means you keep your notes up to date across your devices, such as your laptop and phone. The easiest way to do this is by using Obsidian Sync. It's sponsorship. I don't have a sponsorship. Okay. I don't even know. I know nothing. Okay. So we can look at this later on, blah, 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 blah. I'd rather use GitHub. I'm hoping I can use GitHub, but it looks like they actually want you to use something like Google Drive. Sync Thing. Is Sync Thing from Theo? Is this a Theo product? Is that Theo's? Theo, are you into Obsidian, Theo? What? I would never have guessed that. I don't believe you, Theo. This is not Theo. Don't even try that with me. You know how I can tell? The T is not capitalized, okay? The T is not capitalized. Obsidian, part of, see that? Maybe. You could have, okay, so now I know we need some plugins, right? We need plugins, right? We need plugins. This page lists the core plugins that come installed with Obsidian. Core plugins are officially built and supported by Obsidian team. The core plugins, yeah, okay. Some of the core plugins are disabled by default, right? There's a bunch of them. Okay, I don't care about audio recorder. Backlinks. What the hell's backlinks? Let's see. Within the backlinks plugin, you can see all the backlinks for an active node. A backlink is a node. Oh, sorry. Hey, thank you very much. I appreciate that, AMR. Let's go. Let's go. A backlink for a note is a link from another note to that note. In the following example, the 3 laws of motion note contains a link to the Isaac Newton note. The corresponding backlink would link from Isaac Newton back to the laws of motion. Does it though? It doesn't look. I mean, I currently don't have anything, unless if I would say like let's see, if I go Isaac Newton did this thing called the 3 laws of motion. Boom. So that would be a backlink, right? Right. Which means I can go here. I can go here. Oh, you have to be inside of it. Okay. That's kind of annoying that if I go like this, F capital T, it takes me to the T, and then not, oh, that's just a link. Oh, okay. So I'm going to erase that then. There we go. No! Okay, calm down. I don't want to record any audio. Command palette. Yeah, okay. I want command palette. Obsidian gives you the access to many commands in Obsidian directly from your keyboard. Okay, so how do I install plugins? Settings, help, open another vault.
I love you.
Is there like core plugins? Backlinks are on, bookmarks, canvas, command palette. Use command control shift. Is it control shift P? Or is it just control P? This is the command palette. Okay, so that has new oh, okay. Isn't the command palette in VS Code command T? Isn't command P fuzzy finding and command T command palette? Or am I way off here? I think I'm right. Thank you. Arise now. And Butt Whoopa. Thank you very much for the community sub. And Angry Laquito. Thank you very much for the tier 1. Sorry, I've missed all these. And Game Freak. Let's go. I don't know how I missed. Like, honestly, I'm just, like, so in thought. VS what? CSP? Classic. Child Protective Services. Is what happens when you use VS Code. Time to ban everyone that knew the keyboard shortcut. Yep, I know. It was actually me. Remember that thing that people say? I forget. It's someone's law. Gold. Someone's law, where you say the wrong thing and you get corrected really, really, really fast. Right? Isn't that what you do? You guys won't give me gold nuts law? Yeah, right. Jeff Goldblum's law. My favorite. Cunningham's law. Cunningham. Mrs. Cunningham. I love Mrs. Cunningham. She was my first crush. Mrs. Cunningham, Austin Powers. She was my first movie star crush. Okay? If you don't know this, it's Kensington, not Cunningham. Kensington. Kensington. I thought it was Cunningham. Oh yeah. I thought it was not Cunningham. It's Kensington. I was way off. Look at this. I don't even know. See, she was my first crush. Who is that? Is that? I don't even know who that actress is. Anyways, Elizabeth Hurley. I thought it was Elizabeth Hurley, but I was like, nah, that can't be right. Yep. There you go. Oh, Cunningham is from Happy Days. Okay, I didn't watch that. I'm Richie Cunningham, and this is my wife, Oprah. Yes, yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah. I just did it again. Look at this. Look at it. Look at me go. It's Kensington. This is Kensington. Anyways. All right. Let's go back to this whole Obsidian thing. So, okay. So I already have Command Palette on. Daily Notes. What is Daily Notes? Daily Notes opens a note based on today's date, and it creates if it doesn't exist. Using Daily Notes creates journals, to-do lists, or daily logs. Okay. What happened if I don't? I kind of want to have a what the hell am I doing right now thing. Does that make sense? That's what I want. What the hell am I doing right now? A templater? Use daily notes for what the F am I doing right? Okay, you do that. You use daily notes. Let me try daily notes. Maybe I need to try daily notes. So how do I do a daily note? How do I use a daily note? All right, what's the hotkey? Oh, viewing hotkeys. Nice. Okay, I like that. So I can go like this. I can go Command P and go daily notes. Where is it? The fastest way to see a hotkey is to find the command in Command Palette. There is a hotkey listed for that key. Okay, well, it's not. To add hotkeys, remove a hotkey, or restore hotkeys to defaults, go to Settings, Hotkeys. Is there a hotkey for opening settings? Settings. Open settings. Okay, cool. So I go that, and then I gotta go, gosh, now I have to use my mouse. Blank, all this thing. Oh, what about daily notes? See, it's nothing. So what do people use for daily notes? I kind of want to use Control D, but that feels weird, Control D. But I feel like Control D feels good. You know what I mean? What do people use? You use Control D? What about yesterday's notes? Control Y? You give them the big D. Control big shift D. Okay. Control shift D. Really, you give them the shifty. The shifty. Okay. Control big D. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna just go with my gut here, which is Control D. Wait, Control D. There we go. One command conflict. Well, shit. Control shift D. Okay, got him. Control shift D. Got him. What about the previous day's notes? What should I do? There. Control shift. No. Why? Because I kind of feel like I have to keep the shifting thingy going. Daily notes. Open today's daily notes. Oh, wait. That would be this one. That's the Control shift D. This one is open next daily note. What is next daily note? Let's see. You are always the slowest mouse user ever. Yeah. CSD for today's notes. CSD? Oh, that's Control Shift. Control Shift T? That's already. I wish they would tell you what is it conflicting with. Can you just show me what it's conflicting with? Undo close tab. Yeah, I mean, I don't use tabs. I would really never want to use tabs. Honestly, if I can avoid using tabs, I'm happy. Like, look at this. This is emotionally painful seeing what's happening on here. Is there a way just to have no tabs? I should fuzzy find and jump only. I should never use tabs. Tabs are just the worst thing in the universe when it comes to text editing. I'm just going to say no to that. I don't need you. It makes no sense. Like, no tabs, boomer? Dude, that's no. Boomers are, you're incorrect, my friend. Tabs are for boomers. Tabs are for people who just started using a computer and they didn't realize that you shouldn't ever use tabs. Tabs increase my cortisol by an intense amount. They're worthless. All right, it is cool that I can click. I was able to click this, and it was able to show me what was going on. Okay, so that means I should be able to go like this. Hit him with the D. That's today. All right, today feels like a good day for the big D. All right, there we go. Well, a little save. Let's go to yesterday. Oh, I kind of want that for yesterday. I'm not going to lie to you. Control-Shift-Find feels like a good... What is these search options? Path of the file? Well, can't I use path of the file with Control-P? Right? Shouldn't I be able to go Isaac Newton? Oh, damn. That's not... That's... Okay, that is one. So Control-Shift-F is going to be Isaac... Damn. Okay, interesting. That's not what I wanted, but okay. Control-Shift-Y? Isn't that one? Didn't I have Control-Shift-Y as one? There's no daily notes before this one. Okay, so how do I do yesterday's note? Well, how do I not open it? Let's see. Open previous day's notes. So, okay, so there is none. I can't do that. Open next notes, Control-Shift-T. There is no note after this. Okay. So is there a way to jump backwards through notes? Control-O, search for... Oh, yeah. See, okay, then what the hell is Control-F then? Why do I have Control-F?
Welcome to Costco.
Hey, thank you very much, Naur Solvanati. Solvanati. Make it with the correct name. Interesting. Okay, so I just would make it with the correct name. Oh, okay, cool. So I just take this thing and hit him with one of those, but hit him with an 8 and go like that, right? So now I got yesterday's. So that means technically, since I'm in a day that looks like this, if I do Control-F, if I do T, I'd go forward 1. And if I do Control-F-Y, I go backwards 1. All right, does that work ad infinitum? Really? See, now I have to go find it in this thing. How do I... Is there a way just to jump backwards? Is there a Control-O equivalent in Obsidian? Do you know what I mean? Is there a Control-O, like... Does it have harpoon? I know. Now I kind of want harpoon, right? Is there, like... What is the thing? A jump list. Yeah, is there a jump list? Control that doesn't do it. Okay, hold on. Control-I, you say? Control-I? No, that's italicized, you dummy. You dummy. Let's see. Control-Alt-Shift left arrow. Fuck. Don't. Control-Alt-Shift left arrow. Control keys would be cool. I mean, I could totally do control keys. Shift 69. Okay, yeah. Okay. I gotta go pee. I am peeing. All right. Control Shift Alt Meta Super Windows key. You need to do all the. You need to actually get out a MacBook and get a command key pressed just on a separate computer just to make this thing work. Okay, so that means I should be able to go up here to settings and go previous file. Is there like a? So they don't have a previous, they must have like, okay, does anyone actually know that? Navigate back, that's, okay, navigate back is Control, Alt, Arrow? No! Who does that? Who came up with these things? No! I can't use Control-O, which is a true tragedy. It's a true tragedy, so I'm going to make it into a non-tragedy. Control-O. There we go. So how do I do that thing where I do this? Quick switcher? No. Quick switcher. Okay, so this is what we're going to do with this one. We're going to make you... Oh, come on. Dang it. Quick switcher. We're going to make you Control-P. This one, command palette, should be Control-Shift-P. Right? Navigate back should be Control-O. Navigate forward should be Control-I. Is that fair? Or is that not? It's not a jump list, right? Maybe I should use Control-Care, Control I, toggle italics. I mean, I'm just not even going to use that. What kind of bullshit is that anyways? Okay, I feel
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
There we go. See, dude, tabs are just the worst. Okay, the next thing, I got to get rid of these tabs. I am actually getting cortisol. I'm getting cortisol issues. Manny Munzie, Manny Muniz. Is there a way? There must be a setting in here that tells me that I can open link in current tab. I can't use that. Is there a let's see, smart list indents, indent tabs, indents, advanced auto. Is there like an open link in current tab? I kind of like line numbers on. It makes me feel good about myself. There is a no tab plugin. Okay, so how do I install plugins? Like I see that there's core plugins, no tab. How do you do, let's see, how do you do community plugins? Oh, is there a oh, yeah, I'm a dum-dum. Okay. Let's see. Turn on community plugins. Oh, I'm so turned on right now. Okay, can we browse? No tab. Default tab CSV, open a new tab, Obsidian tab, no tabs. So this is the one. Replaces the current tab when creating a new note. Yeah, How about when following link? Okay, good. I like this. Let's see. Unfortunately, there is no way of changing this behavior. Let's see. Hold on. Whenever you create a new tab in Obsidian, a new tab is opened. It can get quite annoying. Yeah. Yep, I agree with all of this. This plugin works around the limitations. Okay, good, because I just hate that. Okay, so install. Okay. Yes. Yes. So when I do a new one. Okay, I thought there's no. Did I not install it? Hey, NM Apple. Do I need to go in here and go to, like, is there new tabs? Enabled. Let's go. All right, so if I go unentitled for, entitled for, oh my goodness, pirates, dude, dang it! I want to raid you! Can you just stay on a little bit longer? Can you just change your whole life so I can raid you? That's what I want. By the way, if you guys don't know, Thor, awesome, beautiful voice. All right, beautiful voice. If you want to hear somebody that doesn't sound like a perpetual cartoon, me, and is actually a good programmer, not me, and also build video games, not me, and completes projects, not me, you know what to do. You press that button, okay? Just press the button, okay? His dad, inspiration for the South Park meme. His dad, right there. That's his dad. Like, we can see him, okay? And I'm not just insulting his dad. That's not an insult. That's an actual compliment, first off. And second off, legitimately is also his dad. Yeah. Dude, Thor, if you ever get tired of programming, go into ASMR. I'm telling you, if you went into ASMR... Here, let me try to make my voice a bit more manly.
Hello, this is Thor. I would just like to read you today's news. Earlier today, a puppy was rescued from a tree. 2 elderly women cried upon receiving the puppy. In other news,
like, really, like, he would sound so beautiful, right? Right, he'd be so beautiful. Me, on the other hand, I could stunt double for Gilbert Gottfried, but he died, so I can't even do that. Like, I don't even get the chance to do that. I do that sometimes. Chat asks for feed pics. Yeah, yep, reasonable. Anesh, thank you very much, Anesh. Can you make this your next wallpaper? Oh, man, I'm always very hesitant. Why would I do this? Why would I do this? Really? Why would I do that? I recommend you coming up with a good folder structure, then use templates and keyboard shortcuts to create automatically different types of notes in your chosen folder. Also, look into fuzzy finding and other good plugin. I thought it already had that. I already thought I had that. Well, I mean, you're right. I don't, like... All right, so if I go in here and I try to... if I try to open up a file and I go to unentitled 3... Let's go. No tabs. I effing hate tabs. I hate tabs. I hate tabs. So if I come in here and go to Isaac Newton, we got this. If I hit him with the Control-Shift-D, we got this. If I hit it with the yesterday, today, can I walk further backwards? Okay, let's go in here. Ooh. Go in here. Whoopsie, that's there we go. Let's go in here and let's hit him with the... Wait, 17. Yeah. This should be 2 days ago. There we go. And so that means I should be able to go D, Y, Y, T, Y, T, Y, T, T. Oh, let's go, people. Let's go. Okay, I love that. I'm loving that so much. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so this is good. Well, yeah, because I want that. I haven't tried Obsidian. I haven't tried a good... The problem is, like I said, I've been using Trello to try to keep track of myself, okay? And Trello is just a You couldn't pay... Trello, go ahead. Send me an email right now offering me $1 million for a singular YouTube video. You know what I'm going to say to you? Absolutely, I'd take $1 million and sell my ass out for that. But if you would offer me $10,000 for a YouTube video, no way. No way I wouldn't do that, okay? Absolutely not. That's ridiculous, okay? I would never do that. Second off, someone just said, why not Notion? Why not Notion? Why not Notion? It's actually really simple, why not Notion, okay? Notion has its own bespoke format, okay? Sorry, hey, sucks to have ads. You know what you can do? $5 a month! You have countless hours of entertainment and you can't give me $5. Got him. Let's see. Anyways, let's see. What? I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh, yeah, Notion. Why not Notion, right? Notion. It's so simple. Why not Notion? Notion has its own bespoke format. Okay, I don't want a bespoke format. I will thank you, Shy Ryan. Shy Ryan, you just gave 5 people 5 less AIDS. Okay, you just did that. Thank you very much. Oh wait, if I buy a sub, I won't get AIDS. Yeah. Well, no, you already have them. I definitely had that whole thing. So I don't want to use Notion. Hey, thank you, Boros. Oh gosh, Notion is for women. Okay, that is like super fucked up to say. You should just say Notion is for product managers. Okay? Say that, because that's insulting and everyone can laugh at it. Okay, that's funny and we can all agree. All right, Notion is surely... Notion because I surely enjoy the feel of React on mobile. Yeah. For what? You are gonna use Motion. Yeah. Why not org mode? I don't want to do org mode, okay? I don't want to do org mode. Plus, I can say Figma balls. You can do that. Absolutely. Obsidian Git. Ooh. Yeah, product managers. It's definitely a heavy product manager vibe, right? Just like Airtable. Airtable, product managers. Right? Absolutely. Don't be a weirdo. Don't be a weirdo. Don't be a weirdo. Anyways, Rust Kanban? No. Why would I... First off, there's several things wrong here, okay? Rust Kanban. Okay, what the hell is Rust Kanban? Well, look at that. It looks like a Kanban board, a daily activity. First off, what's the first problem? Well, the first problem right here is that the Rust Foundation has explicitly stated you're not allowed to do that, okay? This guy's waiting to get sued, okay? He should have just called it Rust JavaScript and then some other company. Microsoft figured out how to do like Microsoft, right? He could have been sued by all 3 major corporations, okay? It just is not going to happen. Second off, why would I want this in my life, okay? I don't want this in my life. I want something that I can use on my phone. Look at you. You like this stupid big line on my phone? I dropped my phone, and I'm too lazy to literally call up Netflix's phone service and get a new phone sent to me. Okay? I can literally just get a new phone right now. I have to sit on the phone I have to call a thing for like 20 minutes, and I can get a brand new whatever phone this is I'm using. And instead, I'm just like immediately improve my my phone experience with almost no effort. I ain't got time. It's Pixel. That's what I got. It's Pixel. I really hate phones. Phones give me anxiety. Phones give me huge anxiety. Phones give me the worst anxiety of my lifetime. Okay? I like when if I go on Twitter on my phone, I can feel my heart like I can feel it increase. When I doom scroll Twitter, I can feel it increase too. Like, I don't use Twitter. I shitpost. Twitter is a shitpost only website for me. You wouldn't download legal. I mean, that's funny. Thank you, Donut Pointer. Okay, I like Matt. I don't know what he's doing. Good luck, everybody. Okay, now I'm starting to feel myself getting a little bit more stressed. My stress is starting to rise. It's starting to rise. Now it's getting really risy. I like Vis, but still, I'm getting risy. I love Pick. Okay, Pick is the greatest. I can like it, and then I'll read it. It's funny how tourists fall for overpaid or oregano joints in Times Square. Great tweet. Love it, right? I really like What Plan. I don't know if you guys watched his video. Great video. He's using Terso. Terso is one of the greatest. He's using HTMX. HTMX is one of the greatest. This is all good, but I'm starting to feel getting freaked out, and now I'm hating my life. What am I doing? Why do you guys do that? Don't do that. Stop it. Stop reading stuff. Gosh. Oh, Twitter anxiety. Oh, gosh, I can actually feel it creeping up. Do you have a Pixel 7? It's so good. Is it good? I don't know. Honestly, I feel personally attacked. Dude, doom scrolling is the worst. It's just, Let's see. Content creator who doesn't want you to look at content. I'm a content creator who does not use content. Right? If you go to my YouTube, it's pretty much all music, because that's the only thing I watch on YouTube is music, and I've recently only started watching Asmongold. I don't watch live streams. I want to watch live streams. I just don't have time, and I can't really interact, and I can't do it. It just hurts. This is just me getting excited about creating things. You know what I mean? That's why I started doing content creation, because I just was excited about doing things. I know this is kind of weird, but I don't watch content. I think that's part of the reason why I have my own style, is because my own style is just me making my own things that I would like to make. Right now, okay, you guys want to know what I'm doing right now? You want to hear the content I am consuming right now. Are you ready? YouTube, you won't be able to hear this.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
That's what I listen to while I program. Audiobooks. It's Dune, yeah. It's the Dune when the Emperor has now just captured what's it called? The Bene Gesserit's witch's child. I forget her name, but yeah. So audiobook. I'm an audiobooker, right? I don't know. I want to be I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to be a little bit. I'd like to be a little bit more quote unquote well read. So I've listened through some historical accounts. Hey, TCP stream, thank you very much. I acknowledge this, and I would like to say thank you. Why did the developer cross the road? Why, TCP? Why? Ever heard of the three-body problem? Yes. So I listened to it on a ride home, and then my life was crazy after that, because it was I listened to it on a 27-hour road trip to get home after COVID happened. And we announced lockdowns. And so I drove through the night with my family in the car, and I listened to the three-body problem. And then I just had this massive craziness of coming home during all of that, and I never restarted it. I was actually going to listen to it right after this. I really liked the three-body problem. I really like the three-body problem. I'd like to do that again. Code and audiobooks are two different... Code and books are two different tracks in my brain. one track in my brain is all about like logical thinking, and the other track in my brain is all about like listening or good feels, right? And so they're just two different tracks. You know what I mean? The Dark Forest, 3 Body Problem, Book 2 is amazing. It is? Okay. I can't hear words when I think too hard. Yeah. I can't even listen to music with lyrics while working. Really? Yeah, I guess I've never had that problem. Huh, funny. Crazy. Yeah, anyways. As you can see, I'm also reading chat. You know what I mean? I'm reading chat and it doesn't bother me. I can keep whatever is in my head while I'm doing that. Video game music works for me while programming. Yeah, that makes sense. For me, they both live under the same language processing. Yeah, they don't for me for whatever reason. It's so good. Yeah. Do I play games? Yeah, I play games. I don't get to play a lot of games. I used to play a lot of games. Now I don't. Games are like my favorite activity ever to do. But I just don't do a lot of them because I can't. I can't believe I literally just lost it. I have one last thing I want to do in this whole Obsidian thing, which is I want to understand how you create like subfolders and new notes. How does that work? How does subfoldering and new notes work? Right? Factorial seems awful. I don't want to play Factorial. Avoid subfolders. Interesting. Okay. Okay, I can buy that. Is it just because you just use tags? Okay, so how do I do tags? Right, tags, if I'm not mistaken, are when I use when I use a doc thing right up top, right? And I go tags, and then I can go foo bar, right? Is that what tags are? I feel like that's tags, right? Tags and links. Factoria is a one-way ticket to stress. Yeah, it's not for me. Did I get that correct? Tags can have subtags. Really? Yeah, I don't want a philosophical debate. I don't care. Honestly, I don't use... no, I'm not going to do that. You can just use tag as well? Okay, cool. I honestly, real talk, I don't care. I don't care. Like, that's like how little I care. And so, for me, this feels really clear. I like this. It just feels right. Okay? And, you know, and if you don't like it, off, you know? All right, there we go. So now how do I look up by tag? How do I get a list of files by tag? Stop being so edgy and established. Factorio feels like you program. You build yeah, see, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Yeah, you guys can all F off to my stream. Absolutely. TJ, are you going to be streaming here shortly? Normal search? Okay, foo. That doesn't feel right. Foo. What other kind of searches are there? Okay, command palette. Let's see. Show tags. Okay, so there's this whole like tagging, so I can go to these different taggings. So I go Control Shift If and I go tag. And I can do a tag search, so I can search for all those, and then I can select which articles. How do I go back to that menu? How do I go back here? You know, that's how I do it in Vim. Control W over. But I can't do that. How do I go? Data view in plugins. Data view in plugins? Okay. Can I go up? Oh, crap. Data view. So data view is a community plugin. Data view. I feel like I've heard of this. Is this what we're talking about? Advanced queries over your vault for the data obsessed. Data view. Treat your Obsidian vault as a database, which you can query. I mean, I like that. I don't want a JavaScript API. Do I have to do that? Pipeline-based query language. Okay. Oh, I saw this. I saw this in No Boilerplate stuff. See, this is really cool. See, I don't understand what this language is doing yet. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, so this is, you could have like a home base operations, right? Okay, so there's like a home base operations I could theoretically there's a file I could create called like all your base R belong to us, right? And then once you do all your base R belong to us, I could have some sort of data view in which I squeal in some tags or squeal in some to-do tasks. So every single one of my daily tasks could effectively have some sort of things I need to accomplish, and then I can have them time ordered in like kind of some sort of mega one, right? Is that like something I could do? Yeah, you mean some CSS, some tags? Absolutely. Absolutely. Pretty much, yes. Okay, so let's install that. Because that seems like exactly like, this seems exactly like the thing I'd want to do. You know what I mean? All right, get data view in. So data view is in. So let's do that right now. Let's go like this. Whoopsies. Let's do that right now. Wait. Oh, funny. Okay, there we go. So what are we going to call this? Let's call this a home base, right? So home base is where I'm just going to have the stuff. So I guess I'm going to have to figure this out really quickly. Data view, right? So now that I have a data view, data view, Obsidian. So how does this thing work? I enabled it. I have it enabled. Treacher, yep. Okay, so let's see. Table, time played, length, rating from games. So what is games? Is that a tab? Or is that, I mean, is that a tag? Or is this like a subfolder? Is there some sort of projects active? What the hell is this? It's a folder. Do I have to have folders? Can I just select from everything? Examples. Full references for all details. Okay, overview. Let's see. Data view is a live index and query engine for your personal knowledge base. You can add metadata to your notes. Okay, let me check out the metadata. Oh, all right. Here, we'll do that in a second. Let's see. To list, filter, sort, and group your data. Data view keeps your queries always up to date and makes data aggregation a breeze. You could track your sleep. I don't care about. No, I don't care about any of that. Okay. Data is highly generic and high performance. I don't care about that. How to use data view. Data view consists of two building blocks: data indexing and data querying. Okay, data indexing. Data view operates on metadata in your markdown files. It cannot read everything in your vault, but only specific data. Some of your content, like tags and bullet points included in tasks, are available automatically. Okay, you can add other data through fields at the top of your file per YAML formatted, or front matter. Okay, cool. Or in the middle of your content. So this would be a good reason to use those YAML front matter businesses, right? So there we go. So I can do this nice little beauty right here. From author, written in, okay, whatever. In terms of indexing metadata or what you can query, this just seems way more confusing. I don't want to do that. This just seems, somehow that seems way more confusing. I don't want this. I don't want that. I don't want that. In terms of indexing metadata or what you can query, they are identical. The only difference is in their annotation style. Okay, that's fine. Data querying. To access index data with the help of queries, there are three different ways you can write a query. There's the data view query language, which is the one I want, as an inline statement. Yep. But the most complex way is JavaScript. Well, I don't want to do JavaScript. The DQL, the Do you know why Dairy Queen? Do you know how Dairy Queen got pregnant? Burger King forgot to wrap his Whopper. I know you liked it. I know you liked it. Fine. You're right. You're right, Karen. It was more of a Whopper Jr. I'm going to sue for emotional damage. All right. Anyways, dequal consists of several parts. Exactly one query type to determine what your query looks like. None or one from statement. Okay. None or multiple from other data commands. Okay. So, for example, a query can look like this: list. Okay. What the hell does list do? List. List from poems. List from foo. Okay, cool. Okay. What about I want to get some little checkboxes. I want some checkboxes. You know, a table, author. Okay, cool. Oh, so it can create a table. Okay. I see what's happening. Okay. I see what's happening. Use task instead of list. Okay, well, let's just look for a task. Task is... I want to see tasks. Okay, so how do we do a task? Task. There are no tasks. Okay, so I got to create a task in foo. Now, is there a way... Okay, so that means I'm going to have to go like this. I have to jump up here, look for foo, and then I have to, like, open one of these, and then now I have to create a task. How do I create a task? Obsidian task. Basics installation. I need to install, right? Space your task. Oh, damn. Okay. So I just go like this. Wrap my whopper. Is that how I spell whopper? Is that a whapper? Is that a wet ass? Pussier? Did I get that right? It's a whopper. That's a whapper. Okay, thank you. Oh no. Somebody's in trouble. Space in the brackets, you dingus. Oh. Wrap my whopper. Wrap my whapper. All right, so that means I should be able to go back. And yes. So that means if I click this. Oh, F-yo, couch. Wait, what just happened? What just happened? All right, how do I just say it's good from here? Okay, so I have to use my mouse. Is there a way to not use your mouse? Press Control E? Oh, Control E for presentation mode. But is there a way for me to just do it without, like with... Data view incels? What? Control L? Oh, that's a task. Well, that's cool. Let's see. Yeah, I think Control M. What is CRT? Well, I can't get to the line, right? I can't get to the line because it's a data view, right? It's a data view, so there is no getting to the line. And then I don't have a cursor in this mode, right? Then we're all fucked. Are you using fleet? No, but I do like feet. So like I can't go in there, right? Okay, so this is just a mouse only operation. That's fine. That's fine. And is there a way to, let's see, hold on, from task where, is there like checked equals false? Is there like a way to like, yeah, let's go. Let's go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to see, right? So, okay, so checked equals false, maybe fudged it up a little bit. All right, so go back in here. I'm hitting Control E. So, why am I'm in Vim. I'm in Vim. Why am I doing that? All right, so that gives me that. So you're also saying where completed equals true. Can I use that? Okay. Okay, so I can have where completed equals false. Cool. Looks like I'm doing a little bit of CSS. Yeah, I'm doing a little bit of CSS. You know what I mean? A little CSS. Now try with 1,000 tasks. Why would I want to try it with 1,000 tasks? Why would I want to spend my time doing that? There is Vim mode. I have the Vim. Yeah. DQLSSS. Hi, Dad. I love you. Okay, this is great. I'm going to use this. Check out the Vim guide so you can use Vim style bindings to move around. I have Vim on right now. You can see. And it has a lot of stuff. It has VAP. Like, long as you can VAP and honestly, long as you can DAP, dapping is big for me, okay? If you can't DAP, get out! You know what I mean? You know what I mean? No, that's not how it works. Like, look at my cursor. Look at where my cursor is. Like, I'll press the arrows to make it obvious what I'm doing. When I press up, it changes the data view into the underlying wheel. If I press down, it goes back to the presentation view. Can it sex? Sex. It can't. It doesn't even know. This thing can sex. This thing can sex with a bang, okay? Anyways, because you are in editing mode with live preview. Exactly, but the thing is that there is no other thing. I tried this a while back and it got really slow with a large number of files. That's fine. That's the thing is, no sex. Classic Arch user experience. Control E. I know, but okay, guys, you're missing the point. When I go into Control E, you lose your cursor. I have to tab to the correct location. Then maybe I press Enter. No, Enter didn't do it. Space. Looks like Space does it. Data view's gone. You can't uncheck it once you check it because it's gone. Then I have to Control E, and then I have to go back in here and delete that and do that. So I'm going to have like, I'm going to have to yap that, and then I'm going to have to go down, then I'm going to have to paste it, and then this is where I can have where completed equals true, right? And then you can have right here with, oh my goodness, why am I using, dude, I'm not used to this thing working with that. Where completed equals false. Nice. So that means if I'm in presentation view, I should be able to tab, space it, tab, and now it's right there. Look at that. Cool. No sex is also every Helix user. This is true. Whapper. Man, I just done something that would take a whole day to do in 30 minutes with GNU Parallel and curl. Damn. Yeah, I keep telling you. This is why I keep saying, just learn GNU Parallel. Like, Parallel alone is just incredible. You just discovered teleportation. Thank you. Can you make a video of reacting to Laravel 100 seconds from Fireship? I don't know Laravel enough to really know. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? All Helix users have girlfriends in different states. Okay, yeah, this is true. Sometimes they're across the border in Canada. Totally normal. Okay. So backend in Obsidian. So is Obsidian better than Joplin? I wouldn't even know. More like Laura Hill. All right, so this is a really good initial
I love you.
venture into Obsidian. I'm going to use this for a while, and then I'm going to come back with questions, and maybe we can do a Helix part or an Obsidian part 2, where we just go further. Okay, I really like this. This was really good. This was genuinely really good. Obsidian ends. Let's see. This was really good. Okay, so now I got to go use it for a while. You got to use it for a while. The name is the Primogen.